Yo, what's up, everyone? Here we go again. How to use the inverse matrix to solve a system of linear equations. Earlier, we solved question number 41, so I'm removing it. We will be working on question number 48. Okay. The first thing, what we have to do is we have to write in the matrix form. So I'm going to write the coefficients of each letter here. -4. So -4, I have 6. I have nothing here, which means 1, and I have -2. So that's -2. This is my matrix A. Then I have X and Y, unknown variables. Let's call it X. So then what do we have? We have 5, and a -9. So let's call this matrix B. So A times X is equals to B. Once again, we have to we have to find the inverse matrix to find the X and Y. We need to multiply by inverse matrix of A. So when I multiply by inverse matrix A on the left side, I have to do it on the right side too to keep the balance. So I'm multiplying here. But what is the inverse matrix of A? Let's find it out. One more time, the formula is 1 over determinant A, which is equals to D and A, -C. Let's move my video over there, -B. Okay, what is my determinant? My determinant is A and D minus B and C. What is my AD? A and D. -4 multiplied by -2 will give me 8 minus B and C. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. So 6. So as a result, it is 2. So it will be a 2. Okay, now I have to multiply this 2 by, let me rewrite this. D. What is my D? My D is -2. Oops. -2 is here. What is my A? My A is -4. So -4. What is my B? B is 1, but I have a negative sign, so I'll put negative. And my C is 6. But of course, I have to put the negative sign too. Now, oops, I'm sorry, I think I did something wrong here. So 1 over 2 should be as a formula, right? My determinant 2 is 1 over 2. Okay, now 1 over 2, which is 0.5, multiplied by each of these members. So it will give us, it literally means divide by 2. So -2 divided by 2 is -1. -1 divided by 2 is -0.1, or let me keep as a fraction. And then -6 divided by 2 is -3. -4 divided by 2 will give me -2. So this is inverse matrix. All right, cool. Look, inverse matrix multiplied by a matrix will give you multiplicative identity. 2. Reason, because we have 2 by 2 matrix. And we didn't touch the X, which is equal to we didn't touch the right side. Negative inverse multiplied by B. So anything, let me change the color. Okay. Anything multiplied by multiplicative identity won't change anything. So when you multiply multiplicative identity by X, it will give you the same X. And on the right side, so inverse of A multiplied by B. Okay. What is X? Our X is X and a Y. X and Y, which is equal to what is inverse A? Inverse A is here. -1, -1 over 2, -3, and -2, multiplied by b. B is what? B is 5 and 9, -9. Okay. So now we have to multiply them. So x and y equals to, I have to multiply row by column. So first number, -1 multiplied by 5 will give me -5. And then -1/2 multiplied by -9 will give me +4.5. Positive, yeah. Then the second row, -3 multiplied by 5 will give me -15. And then -2 multiplied by -8 will give me +18. Okay. From here, we can see our x is equals to -0.5, and then our y is equals to +3. So this is the answer, final answer, but we need to double check it. To double check it, let's go up there and work on one of these questions. Okay, let me work on this. 6 multiplied by x is 0.5, but -0.5 minus 2 multiplied by my y is equals to 3. 3. Is it equals to -9? We need to check. So 6 multiplied by -0.5 will give me -3, and then minus 2 multiplied by 3 will give me 6, which is -9. That's correct. This is the end for today. خلاص.